This morning at State House, I was pleased to receive an 8-member delegation of permanent representatives to the United Nations who are currently in Zimbabwe for a high-level familiarization tour. Zirabena mashwamda topa pangwa inoi near the ZB News Online pamusoro delegation from the United Nations iri in Zimbabwe and was subscriber like on the bell icon. This delegation represents various nations from across the globe, and their visit marks a significant milestone in our engagement and re-engagement agenda. We discussed Zimbabwe's bid for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council for the 2027 to 2028 term, a bid aimed at strengthening multilateralism and bringing the voice of the Global South to the heart of global security decisions. As a nation, we are committed to being a friend to all and an enemy to none. This visit provides a first-hand look at our progress, our stability, our unwavering dedication to international peace, security, and sustainable development. We look forward to deepening these collaborations. President Mnangagwa to this delegation visitor in our country. At a time, but Zimbabwe is in chaos. Everything is upside down. Pangwa ino with my constitutional amendments. Everyone are kugunumona munwese and mubunzo and my questions. Pamzona pema constitutional amendments. The ruling parties and PFS decided to tear off the constitution to serve the interest of the president nema close associates abo. Section za fungura aim to the pamsara bichitko each. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.